In today's video, we're going to take a look at Tesla. It's breaking some key support levels, and that's what we want to take a look at because the stock is struggling a little bit. If we take a look at just overall what's going on happening right now, the stock's down about $9 or about 4.4%. So it is moving lower. You've got NEO and GM actually moving higher, and Carvana also lower. So you can see stock-wise, the market overall pushing a little higher today, but we've been in a weak market recently. So as we take a look at Tesla here, what you'll find is we're breaking this key support level, and this key support level comes in right here. So when we look at this key support level, you're looking at right at the lows of 212. Okay, so and we broke that a couple of times, but we kind of were holding it, and now we are breaking through on a clean break right now, and even breaking a $200 price level, which can become a psychological level. So with the stock being down, about 4.5%, that's pretty significant. Now, one of the things I would watch is the key level that I've marked right down here. That level is right around the 164 level. So keep an eye on this, and one of the reasons I'm looking at this is we have a swing point over there with a lot of action in that zone from another swing point right around May and March timeframe. Looks like this could be a nice solid support level. You can see the stock over time has been trending a little bit lower since around July. So we've been kind of trending lower. We've been kind of digesting this move slightly. And now that we're breaking here, you might see that stock come down into that 164 level and possibly bounce. So that's a scenario and a possible situation. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. It just means, hey, this is one possibility, okay? The other thing that we can see is if we come here, bounce, we're going to have some struggle on that resistance level. And will we break through there or just kind of continue back to the upside and go from there? Now, that could take a couple of months to actually pan out. Certain moves like that, they take a while to digest in a similar way that, hey, when we go pull back, it takes time for things to move up, or you pull back a bit, it takes time for things to move up. So when we look at something like this, don't think it's going to happen immediately or all in one day for things to just be over. There's a lot of buyers and sellers that may need to still come in, get it to this level. This is where a lot of the fear and panic will step in. That's where a lot of, oh no, it's crashing, will come in, and a lot of people will struggle thinking that it's actually quite sad because they'll lose a lot of money because they put too much money into one stock, one position. So, but it's at this point that I see possibly you could get a nice strong bounce, especially if the volume will come in, and that's from there we will see where things lie. But for the moment, the problem is we've got this downward move. It's struggling. You have volume picking up. You've also are breaking key support level, so you're creating lower lows now on this downward move, and that's not a good or healthy situation. So you can kind of, if you're looking at it, draw the little swing points here, and then if this one comes into that area as well. So we've got kind of this descending movement for the moment in the stock. So that's what I want to show you here in this company. It's not holding stable compared to like McDonald's. McDonald's actually powering a little bit higher today, doing fairly well, holding up. Obviously, they had earnings and things did look okay. But when we look at Tesla, you're struggling. Ford also down in a big way. You had these earnings. NEO here is kind of stable. Carvana also been kind of on the trend to the downside. So you can see this has been, going in this direction. So a lot of them are struggling, and Tesla being one of the big ones that it's quite overvalued and being so priced up with a lot of volatility, and it's ultimately struggling. Anyways, truly appreciate you guys sticking with me and all the great comments that you guys leave me. Definitely thank you so much. If you're more interested in technical analysis, highly encourage you to check out the course on tradersfly.com. There's a great course that we have available for technicals. Take a look at that. That's 6+ hours in length, and keep learning, keep studying. Check out the website and grab some of the freebies, mini courses, PDFs, cheat sheets, and much more. I'll see you next time.